Xfinity Stream app. Today I will show you its features, how to set it up, and everything it can do. If you already have an eligible Xfinity TV service, you can start watching in just a few minutes and even take much of your entertainment with you when you're away from home. First, download the Xfinity Stream app and sign in with your Xfinity account. The app may ask you to register your device, and once that's complete, you'll arrive at the main screen with sections for live TV, on-demand, DVR, and your personal library. Next, explore one of its biggest features, live television. You can watch many of the channels included with your subscription directly from your phone, tablet, or supported streaming device. The channel lineup depends on your package, and some channels are available only when connected to your home network. Then, check out the on-demand library. You can browse thousands of movies and TV shows, continue watching programs you started earlier, and search for new content by category or title. The app also keeps track of your viewing history, making it easy to pick up where you left off. After that, open My Library to access cloud DVR features. You can schedule recordings, manage existing ones, and watch saved programs from compatible devices. If your plan supports downloads, you can save select recordings and watch them later without an internet connection. Now, look at the extra tools built into the app. You can set parental controls, turn on closed captions, manage audio settings, and stream across multiple compatible devices. You can even start watching on one device and continue on another depending on the content. If you don't see a feature, there's another thing to check. Some channels, recordings, and downloads depend on your subscription and whether you're connected to your home Wi-Fi. One common surprise is that certain live channels have viewing restrictions outside the home. Once everything is set, the Xfinity Stream app gives you access to live TV, on-demand entertainment, DVR recordings, and portable viewing from a single account. Following these simple steps makes getting the most from the Xfinity Stream app quick and easy.